clients, the benefit of using BIM on their projects is twofold. Firstly, in terms of the outcomes that they have, in terms of time, programme and quality. So it can reduce construction time and programme by up to 50%. It can reduce the construction and operation and management costs of an asset, and also an increased quality of that asset.
We live in an age where staff turnover is quite high, so on average in this industry anyway, people stay in their jobs for about 2 years. So you can imagine there may come a point in time where we call on information and data on a scheme that finished 6, 7, 8 years ago, and those people aren't around anymore. And it avoids that having to gather data and information from very different locations that have been stored in very different ways, and it avoids the cost of trying to resource pulling that information together.
So the risks that BIM can avoid, having good building information management from early on in the cycle, whoever that maintaining contractor is, they'll know exactly what's in that building, they'll know exactly where it is, and they'll know exactly how much it's going to cost.
I think the risks and implications for what I see is that you don't have data in lots of random different places. You visually can see your data, you know it's safe, you know that you've covered many streams of things, including deliverables, scope of services, principal design, and probably most importantly as we move into this day and age, you're ticking away at arguably one of the most important parts of what we do, and that's the environmental impact and sustainable development goals as organisations realise they need to take on board that aspect of how we operate.